everybody, this is Annelie van Wyk, cancer survivor, granny of 2, and a very grey senior citizen. We're always ready for a challenge and ready for fun and games. And I was just wondering, are you interested in making money 7 days a week? Or even while you're not busy sitting behind your laptop, sitting on a Caribbean cruise, lying on the beach, playing in Disneyland. Your choice. Could be fun. Anyway, this business has got it's a done-for-you system that can completely change your life. And it's my favorite online business, and let me tell you about it. Why? The Power Lead system. Why did I choose it? Power Lead system is a digital business with real products, and products that you can use in every business out there. It's not a bag of air that you're selling. It is real. And every business to be successful needs first products. Then they need, first an investment to buy the products. When you got the products, you've got to start marketing it. You have to get leads for the people to go out to get people coming in. You need traffic. Otherwise, you don't have a business. So without without this Power Lead system, you can do your business, but Power Lead system can help you such a lot. The tools can be used for the marketing, for getting the leads. You get quality training as well. You can use this training not only for Power Lead system, you can use it for your primary business that you want to promote. Power Lead system is a business in a box. It could be used for anything like weight loss, affiliate marketing, Herbalife. It's a done-for-you system. It's got done-for-you capture pages. It's got done-for-you sales pages. It's got built-in sales funnels, autoresponders, tons of training like endless free leads. Endless free leads, for example, teaches you how to get free leads on social media. You also get Social Profit Academy. You get Master Traffic Academy. The best is that you don't only have to use it for Power Lead system. As I said, you can use it for any business. Use the tools to expand your current business. And it just so happens that Power Lead system has got an amazing, incredible compensation plan for getting Power Lead system affiliates who purchase the training products. We get paid monthly residuals, upfront commissions, pass-up bonuses, bonuses paid on our referrals work. So that is when you are sitting on the beach and enjoying yourself. They are doing the work and you're getting paid. Sounds good, eh? In the beginning, you work through your many options of training, which is quite a lot. And once you're used to it, you follow the steps, become mechanical in doing it every day. You start operating like a machine, day after day after day, and it produces for you. And once you know what to do the online marketing, it becomes a breeze. You can take your laptop to the park if you really have to. Otherwise, you do your 1 or 2 hours of mechanical work at home, and then you're off for the rest of the day. You can go biking, you can go jolling for as long as you want, where you want. There's no limit. And that when you get to that no limit stage, that is when you got financial freedom. Is that one of your dreams? Or are you dreaming about it but not doing anything about it? So I would suggest it's time to get some action. Without action, you're going to stay where you are and keep on dreaming. Now get that action. And with Power Lead system, as I said, they pay very well. It's a serious business. And once you understand how to do this marketing online and the income is flowing, your best interest is to partner up with a company like Power Lead system. And a compensation plan this good, you're not going to find it easily. So good luck to you. If you don't want to join, if you do, please subscribe, hit the like button below, join me on Facebook, and let's make your dreams come true. Let's collect that money. Okay, bye and thanks for watching.